What is common area maintenance, or CAM? It's the cost of running the shared parts of a property, passed through to the tenants. Think about a shopping center or office building. There are parking lots, sidewalks, landscaping, lighting, and lobbies. None of that maintains itself. CAM covers things like snow removal, parking lot repair, security, and cleaning the common areas. In a triple net lease, the tenant reimburses the landlord for their share of these costs. Your share is usually based on how much space you occupy. So if you lease 10% of the building, you pay roughly 10% of the CAM. This is what makes triple net feel hands-off for the landlord. The property's operating costs get pushed to the tenants. But tenants are smart. They negotiate. They ask for caps on how much CAM can rise each year. They exclude big capital items. And they demand the right to audit the charges. For an investor, accurate CAM reconciliation matters. Overcharge and you create disputes. Undercharge and you eat costs you should have recovered. Always read the CAM clause and how it's calculated. This is educational, not investment advice. Always review the lease with a qualified professional.